Hi, next I'm going to show you the data product, which is the Jupyter Notebook. I had earlier video recorded the Jupyter Notebook, and it will be shown with me now giving some introductory remarks because I cannot seem to be able to make a desktop video and audio with the device with the tools I have. So please excuse me. So essentially, in my notebook, what you will see is that I take advantage of the integrated feature of IBM Watson Studio, where I have a data asset downloaded from Kaggle, and then work directly from after downloading, of course, the tools before that, to do some data exploration and to do some checking whether the data is complete, no missing rows, no duplicated rows, and notice that the column values have all been scaled. And follow on is to display some plots with the courtesy of Kaggle's code cells to infer some initial feature descriptions possible for my modeling. I chose for the project to predict rotor temperature. As such, it would be a sort of continuous variable to be predicted, and I use two tools: linear regression and gradient boosted trees to cross-check using metrics like R² and RMSE. The initial data exploration gave me some feel for PM distribution, which has a standard deviation of about 1, and guided accordingly in the iterations for features, creation of new feature. To at best, what I could achieve was, without exhausting my free tier hours on Watson, something like 0.63 with linear regression, and with 0.4 something with you will see in the notebook for gradient boosted tree, which also return a smaller RMSE compared to linear regression. There's a bit of interesting thing which I further on did was to try and cluster the data to find out whether there's a pattern in the data points, and with the idea that some follow-up work can be done more. So Smart data frame is quite difficult in one respect to count population of points in cluster after clustering, and I had to convert it back to pandas data frame to do the counting, and did find one cluster in particular was larger than the others. Using the elbow method, the k-means clustering returned 15 clusters as optimal, and I hope you will bear with me. Given this first attempt I am making, benefit from this client project from IBM to be able to really venture into this video production. Thank you very much.